Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, we are going to tackle a challenge that many English learners face. Speak with confidence. Many people lack confidence while speaking English. It might be because of the mistakes they feel like they are about to make. Or they might have a feeling like they don't know much English, so how can they speak in English? Even if you are not fluent in English, you can speak English with confidence. Do you know how? That's what we are going to look in this video. I'll give you some practical tips that you can apply in your everyday life that can help you speak in English with confidence. There are 5 tips and also there is a bonus tip waiting at the end of this video for you all. So watch the video till the end to speak English with confidence. Ready? Let's go. Understand confidence as a skill. Before looking at the tips, first you need to understand this thing, that confidence is a skill that you can develop, you can build in yourself. You don't need to be born with confidence. The more you practice, the more you develop it. Every time you practice speaking, you are strengthening your confidence muscle. So let's look at some unique techniques that can help you improve your confidence. First one, master key phrases. Instead of trying to learn every word or phrase at once, start with key phrases that you will use in your conversations often. Look for the phrases that you need every day. For example, learn a few greetings or anything to introduce yourself or any phrases that can help you give your opinion. Mastering these phrases helps you feel confident and prepared for any conversation. You can start using these phrases in your everyday conversations. It can be very helpful for you. Like if you want to have a conversation with anyone at your office or with your friends or anyone, when you know these phrases, you will be more confident because you have something with you which you can use in between your conversations. So it's always better to look for the phrases that you use every day and learn those phrases. Try using phrases like WhatsApp, nice to meet you. I think that such phrases that you need every day, find those and learn those phrases. Second one, change your self-talk. What you tell yourself can impact your confidence. If you are thinking, I'm not good enough, it will show in your speaking. Start changing your self-talk with positive affirmations or start thinking positive. You can think like I'm improving every day or I can speak English continuously for 2 minutes. Instead of thinking I can speak English only for 2 minutes, it's very little time, just think in an opposite way, in a positive way. I can speak English for 2 minutes. It's a gain. It's a positive thing. Write down your positive thoughts and say them out loud. This simple trick can shift your mindset and build self-belief. Third one, speak with a partner. Practicing with another person can make a big difference. Look for a friend, a family member, or any language exchange partner who can help you practice in a relaxed setting. Also, someone who can encourage you or someone who doesn't make fun of you, someone who is supportive. Practice English with these people. They can help you build your confidence. Speaking with others helps you get used to real conversations and it gives you a chance to make mistakes. And like I always say, mistakes are your best friend in the initial stages of your learning journey. So when you make these mistakes, you can learn from these mistakes in a friendly environment. You can learn from them in a friendly manner. So try to speak with a partner. Fourth one, speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush. Speaking too fast can increase nerves and lead to mistakes. Instead, focus on speaking slowly and clearly. We have a wrong concept that if we speak fast, it means that we know a lot of English. But this is a mistake. When we speak fast, it doesn't mean the other person is a very good English speaker. There might be mistakes in between his conversation, but we are not realizing it. Speaking slowly gives you time to think, making you sound more confident and allowing listeners to follow you better. So it's always good to speak slowly and clearly. Practice speaking slowly by reading a sentence out loud. Don't forget to give little pauses in between. You should read a sentence out loud, deliberately pausing in between. This will help you get used to a confident, steady pace when speaking English. Fifth one, visualize success. Visualizing positive interactions is a great way to prepare for real-life conversations. Take a moment to imagine yourself speaking confidently and clearly in English. Picture yourself answering questions smoothly and connecting with people. Now, close your eyes and visualize speaking in a positive, stress-free environment. Studies shows that visualizing success can improve your performance. So always visualize success. So to be successful, visualize success. Now for the bonus tip. Record yourself and track your progress. Yes, when you are speaking something, record it. Record yourself speaking English. This is a great way to see your progress. You won't be speaking the same English on day 1 and day 7. Day 7 you will have a lot of improvements. To see that improvements, to see your success, to see how far you have came, you need to record yourself. So track your progress and see where you are improving over time. Plus, hearing yourself speak helps you get used to your own voice. This can boost your confidence. So, there you have it. These are some tips that can help you speak English with confidence. Remember, confidence is a skill that you can develop over time. Which tip will you try today? Let me know in the comments. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.